First thing first, start off by cutting out your pattern. You need 2 of each. 2 of each thing. Then we start filling it up. Make sure you leave an opening and sew all the way around the entire thing. And you can sew however you want to because it's fluffy. Next, you're going to take this leather or whatever thing you have of choice, and this is for the eye hole. So make 2 circles and slit. This is for the mouth, just a triangle. Then this is for the tongue. We use pink thread to make it match. And then you just take these 2 and you sew them together. And the sewing does not have to be neat because this is not like a neat kind of project. So just sew it around and close it up. And you're going to leave an opening at the top so that you can stuff the tongue. That's only if you wanted to stuff the tongue. So you just sew all the way around, and I'm just showing you how I do this because I know a lot of people are going to say, well, you didn't show that sewing in the beginning. This is how I sewed the beginning part too. Now you're going to take and fit for the mouth. So what you have to do is take and cut a hole in this. So we cut a hole and we took a little bit of the stuffing out. Do not make the hole too big because you will regret it. I'd rather it be too small than too big. The next thing we're going to take and we're going to put the eyes in there, and then we're going to sew the fabric around the eyes. I glued mine first so that they would stay in place, and then I sewed it. That's a tip. Glue it down first with a hot glue gun and then sew the eyes on. And then I took and folded this mouth up like a you-know-what, even though I don't. Then we're going to take and stuff the mouth in there and then glue it down, or either sew it down the same way that I sewed the rest. You would sew this, or you could just glue it in and it'll stay because it's fabric on fabric. Next, I was just fitting the tongue in its mouth. I ended up putting the teeth in before I added the tongue, and I actually sewed the teeth in. You can do whatever you want. You can make your teeth. This is my project, and this is how it ended up. I glued the tongue in, and then I just added my little dick dacks and accessories and bling tooth, and I added a little heart, a little belly ring, and a little flower, a little teardrop, and it is so cute. That's the little butt part. And if you'd like a more detailed video, just leave me a comment, and I'll do that.
Why self-life? And I'm in love with you. Wanna go viral.